This is Dad's new phone. We're gonna open it up. First off, we have popping paper. Oh my God, there's a lot of popping paper.
There sure is.
Emo, look at this. Popping paper.
Wow, just what you like.
Yes, I like popping paper.
All right, bring it out.
Here's a heavy, big new phone.
Wow, what is it?
It's Dad's new phone.
What letter's on the front?
A Z.
Oh. Do we need a knife?
You're making me a knife. We're gonna wait for the knife.
Okay.
So while we're waiting, we're gonna pop the pop paper.
Okay. Oh. It's not very poppity, huh?
Yes, it is. Let's just leave my shoes on. No, here's the air. Wait, what? This is it.
Here.
Loud.
Oh my gosh.
All right, enough popping, dude.
They didn't want that to break, did they?
No.
Careful.
All right, let's see. I think there's one there.
Okay, I got it.
Careful, buddy.
Gentle. Okay.
Is there one on the other side?
Mhm.
Like this. Did you get it?
No.
No. What? No, no, no. Let it move your hand.
Okay.
All right, push it out.
Wait. The Z is all gone.
It's the butterfly.
Wait, this is a cool opening.
Yeah.
Oh. What's in there? Wait. Put
The
it
box
down.
inside of a box inside of a box. Inside of a... This is your new phone. This looks
Whoa.
sick. Oh yeah, this is the commercial I saw.
Easy.
This is the same exact commercial I saw. About this.
All right, let's see it.
But that is short to daddy.
This is way larger.
Wow.
Wow. What do you
So
think,
this-
bud?
Is my father's new
All right, don't hit it.
phone.
All right, thank you.
Color.